GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about pound against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. It's all free. And below the video you'll find some links. So it says swing like a pro. Click on that link, then come to this page right here where you can go and check out these videos and watch these videos. They're 2-3 minutes long and you can see my recent trades. How do I take them? And then you can join this program if you want to enter and exit with me. All right, subscribe. And what we got, so you can always book consultation if you want to speak to me and you can book consultation and join my free telegram right here. So coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are above the EMI. So you can see weekly we are above the EMI, daily as well we are above the EMI. So 4 hour as well we are above the EMI. No rocket science. So price in all time frames, 4 hour, daily, weekly is above the EMI. So look for longs after the pullback, not right now. Not right now. Don't enter long here. Pull back and then we will see how it goes or assess the market again. But price is clearly in uptrend, so look for longs after each pullback in 4 hour. But analysis is different and precise entry and exit is different. So if you want to enter and exit with me, then join this program. Subscribe, like and share. Till then, take care.